In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in color using Google Docs. This is a handy feature when you want to make specific parts of your document stand out, whether you're organizing notes, collaborating with others, or just making content more visually appealing. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open up your Google Docs document where you'd like to apply some colorful highlights. Once you're in your document, go ahead and select the text that you want to highlight. You can do this simply by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired text. If you're using a touchpad, you can press down with one finger and slide across the touchscreen to highlight. It's similar to how you would select text in most word processors. With your text selected, your focus should shift to the top menu bar. Here, you'll see a range of options typically used for formatting text. You're specifically looking for the text color icon in the toolbar, which resembles an uppercase A with a horizontal bar beneath it. Next to this, you'll find a drop-down that says Highlight Color. Go ahead and click on that. This drop-down holds all the color options you have at your disposal for highlighting. Within the Highlight Color menu, you'll notice a selection of colors you can choose from. These will range from basic shades like yellow, green, blue, and pink to more specific tones offered in the custom palette. If you're unsure which color to use, a good rule of thumb is to stick with lighter, softer colors for highlights. These are generally easier on the eyes and still do the job of making text pop. After you've browsed through the colors and found the one you like, all you have to do is click on it. You'll see your previously selected text transform before your eyes as it's filled with the chosen color. Don't worry if you're not happy with the selected color. You can always change it by repeating these steps and choosing a different shade. And there you have it, an easy and effective way to highlight text in Google Docs with a splash of color. This feature can be a game changer, particularly when it comes to organizing your documents in a clear and visually engaging way. Remember, while highlighting can be immensely beneficial, do use it sparingly. Overusing it may clutter your document and reduce its readability. So, use this tool thoughtfully to emphasize the most critical parts of your text. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to highlight text in color on Google Docs. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on making your digital writing experience smooth and productive. Until next time, happy highlighting!